everyone, it is now our first official day in Japan. Spent our first night, really cozy beds, not gonna lie, in our hotel room. Family Mart is right there. We're gonna go ahead and cross the street. We're not gonna jaywalk because, you know, we're not from here and we don't know how illegal that might be and how disrespectful it may be. So we're gonna obey the laws, as you always should be. We're gonna go ahead and get some snacks at the konbini, and then we're gonna go ahead to the station to head to Tokyo Auto Salon and meet up with the boys. One of the first spots on the trip. Look at that thing, RX-8. That looks pretty good. This is actually pretty cool. You don't really see a lot of RX-8s in the States. Oh yeah, look how small these cars are, guys. But look how it's so quiet where we are. I'm gonna probably be repeating this a lot during this time that we're staying here in Chiba, but it's really cool to see like this part of Japan that isn't so like lively. Like this is like actual like Japan, aside from all like the bright lights in Tokyo and Shinjuku and all that. Like this is where people actually like live and shit. It's super quiet and peaceful. Almost every car here has Model East on the car. Like, that's so cool. Thank God for ChatGPT and Google Maps literally saving the day. Without this stuff, I don't know where or how we'd be able to navigate Japan. Hello everyone, we are now here at Marukari? Oh fuck, I can't say it. The convention center hall is just right around the corner, but it doesn't open until 10. So we're here a little bit early. Better early than never.
Than late?
I know, but we're early, so it is currently 8:37. So we have some time to kill. I'm also wearing headphones because my ears will literally fall off if I don't. They're already turning red by the time I got to the station. So I just put them on. And it's kind of nice to get to listen to some music. But yeah, ears are freezing. We just finished up at the konbinis. What we have for our first meal of the day. Very exciting this is. What I have here is a curry pan. Jazz has the same thing, but hers has cheese in it. Since I'm low-key lactose, I decided to get the regular one. Kanpai. It's a little cold, which sucks. We were just walking around. It's pretty good.
Really good.
Wow. Oh my god, this is so good. I also realized a lot of people here wear masks. We don't want to get sick. Or get other people sick, so we got masks ourselves. Oh good. That's really good.
Oh, or you just wear masks just because?
No, yeah, I'm just wearing masks just because. Hey.
Need you to buy the family chiki for me.
Why?
I don't know how to ask for it.
You have to make some Quizlet flashcards, man. Hey, how's Japan treating you so far? And it's only been a couple days.
Well, I'm sick.
Still?
I'm recovering. Yesterday was so bad because of the plane ride.
Oh, right.
The air was super dry, so at the hotel, I was like dying.
Oh, yeah.
But today's a lot better. I'm recovering. I'm almost there.
He's almost there, guys. That's also why I'm wearing a mask. I don't want to get sick by this guy.
Getting this guy.
Oh, hell no.
Just have all the alcohol
right, bro.
on tap. Good. You know what? Starting the day strong.
No way. There's so many people here. This is like going to Disney.
We're gonna die in this line, guys.
I'm not filming myself because I don't know if this will show it, but this is the setup right now. This is how I'm gonna be in there. Pure POV shots. Alright, we have made it through the line. Even though, considering how long it was, it maybe took us like 20 minutes, right? Max. Yeah, like 20, 30 minutes max. But it went by fast. This is it. This is it. Why are you scared?
I don't know if I can handle this. I don't know if I can. Oh my god!
Guys, we're at Tokyo Auto Salon. This is insane. Try to stay as close as possible.
Dude, this is crazy.
This is one of the first things we saw here. Holy shit, dude. This is so cool. Calisonic R32 GTR. I don't even know how I'm gonna document everything here. I'm trying my best to like get B-roll, but it's super hard because everyone's like super close walking together. He's just building an RB26 right here. In the middle of the show. It is super packed in here, guys. Usually there's a lot of people crowding around certain booths, and you'd think they'd be for cars, but in reality, they're looking at girls. But look at us, it's like really, really cramped here. So this is a Porsche 962, and it's here promoting detail products. Really cool. One of my favorite cars that Toyota produces that they don't sell in the States is the GR Yaris. I know we have the Corolla, but I just love how the Yaris looks because it's a two-door. Look at this thing. Wide these fender flares are. Wow. I love the Yaris. If they had one in the States, I probably would have got one instead. Look at that. Oh, dude, it's so good. Now we are actually going to Toyota Gazoo Racing right now. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, guys. One of the most anticipated cars, or at least one of the most craziest automotive releases came out of Toyota recently, and they're displaying that car here. I don't think so. Oh, no, still a few more. That is the GR-GT, Toyota's new flagship production car. Crap, as you guys can tell, look at me. It's super cramped here. So we're apparently right here.
Yeah, see too.
This is the hall we're in. And there's these three other
we're
halls.
hall 10 and this is 11 and 9 and all of
Whatever
that.
all this is too.
This is
What the
hall
heck?
1 through 8.
Oh my gosh. Wait, okay. We need to keep pushing then. No way! Isaac,
Oh, what's up?
it's good, man.
Arigato.
It's so close.
That's good. That's good.
Dude, the whole gang is in Japan. Wow, dude, this is crazy.
We're in Japan,
We're in
man.
Japan.
We outside.
We really are. So, did you go through all the halls yesterday?
Kinda. I still have some more to go.
You still have some more, right?
Yeah, the other hole is like way bigger because like all it's like all together.
Oh my.
It's all together.
Oh, it's all
Yeah.
together?
Yeah.
Okay. It's insane. Like, literally, people will, they will just go to get their shot. Like, I'm trying to be respectful and not try to bump into anyone, but they will just go into you. It's like a mosh pit in there, and you kind of just have to like get yourself out. How are you feeling?
Hungry.
You're hungry? Oh man.
So packed in here.
It's like a mosh pit. Like, everyone is like going to get their shot regardless and getting a peek of the car. And this is only half of the hall, and there's 3 more. We finished up with the main, not the main hall, I don't even know what hall that was. I think it's halls 10 through, I think that was halls 11 through 9. It would have stayed here longer, but we have a lot of ground to cover. Oh yeah, it's pretty overwhelming, I can't lie. It is like Disneyland packed here. Maybe even more than Disneyland packed. I don't think I've ever been to an event where it was like this many people. All right guys, we are at the first hall. Holy crap. This is crazy. fuck? Wait, it's HKS produced?
So it's like they got a GTR and they like basically like redid everything. So like they did like the wing, like new motor setup and everything, like stroker, everything.
So do they like
You sell it. You can buy it. Yeah, they're gonna be selling it. It's 700,000 to buy it.
This thing. What the fuck? As you guys can tell, I just love small like cars. Like the GR Yaris and this thing, Suzuki Swift. They don't sell these here in the States. They got carbon hood. They got a steering wheel, bucket seats, a wing. I don't know how good of a car these are. I'm assuming they are really great driver's cars, but I wish they had one of these here in the States. Man, guys, my obsession with the Type R is like through the roof. It is the only other car that I can see myself owning right now. And it's so great that I get to see really cool examples of them here. For all my Civic Type R boys, I hope you're enjoying the content. This Veris one is so gnarly. Let's go ahead and do a little walk around. Veris hood, checkerboard carbon, insane vents, Veris fenders, fully kitted out with Veris. Got the wing, the rear deck lid right here. Dude, this checkerboard carbon is insane. Wow. This is so good, guys. We are here at the best booth, Clabe. Clabe Racing, guys. They have displayed a GR Yaris along with their brand new Civic Type R over here. Holy crap. I wish they had their BRZ, but since the F05 kit is new, I guess they're just trying to promote it here at Auto Salon. But regardless, this thing is pretty gnarly. We are currently sitting outside of the hall, all of us. It is tiring, and these halls are huge. I'm literally at least 20,000 steps already. But yeah, it's crazy. I did not expect Auto Salon to be like this. I thought it was gonna be something like Week Fest or like LA Auto Show. Over there in the States, they don't really care about cars like that. But here in Japan, they take this shit seriously. But I don't know what's in the next hall. So yeah, after that one, we're out of here.
The fuck is this, guys? Look at this.
We are at the 326 Power booth. They make the craziest stance cars in Japan. Look at this thing. This is a Skyline, but in the States, these are a G35, G37, I think. I don't know, I'm not good with my Infinities, but look at this stance. Are we serious right now? And then look at the brakes. They barely fit. And the well-known 326 Power wings. We're now leaving the last hall here at Auto Salon. I mean, it's finally great to experience something like this, but man, is it overstimulating, and the amount of people here is insane as well. If you guys have the opportunity and you are in Japan, or if you're planning a trip to go to Japan, you love cars and JDM and all that shit, Auto Salon is where it's at. Really cool to actually be able to experience it. Did you buy anything?
I didn't buy that much, honestly.
So much shit in here, and this bag is filled with even more shit. Good times. Good times. Alright guys, we just finished with the train ride. We are now in Shibuya. Yeah, we made it to Shibuya. The rest of the guys are staying here, so we decided to just tag along with them since we're all gonna get dinner together. And yeah, we're just really here to dilly-dally. We are now at Shibuya Crossing. Pretty crazy, look at this. We just got back from Auto Salon from something really overstimulating, and we're back at something overstimulating again. This is wild. right, so we walked maybe like 30 minutes after the station. Steven tells us last minute that we're at the wrong hotel. Isn't that great? Yeah, we explored a little bit. Shout out Isaac. He's fed up with it and he decided to get us an Uber.
Got it.
I'll be paying him back for that. Don't worry.
Yeah, you're paying for his dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Tenfold. Yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. It's like some cool shit right here.